For 5 decades, from 1920 to the early 1970s, the incarceration rate in America was remarkably stable, so stable that 2 prominent criminologists, Al Bloomstein and Jacqueline Cohen, published an article in the early 1970s setting forth a theory that our society had found a level of consistency in incarceration rates such that should crime rise or fall, or other social and economic conditions change, our incarceration rate would always remain the same. That article was published in 1973.
Was something they couldn't imagine the police doing in their community. Shocked at what they saw police doing to Rodney King. Black America would have loved to have been shocked by what they saw police do to Rodney King, but Black America only could have been shocked if what the police did to Rodney King was something completely alien.
The mayor seemed completely unapologetic about the practice. He said it has to go forward, it's necessary. Do you have the same?
I think the mayor is absolutely correct.
Some people are just very hurt by it and upset when they're stopped unnecessarily.
Well, I understand that. Some people, you're taking away, at the very least, you're taking away people's time. So I understand people may not be happy with it, but I can also assure you that I go to communities of color, people want more. So
they want more stop and frisk.
Absolutely.
Playing by the rules, I come up hard, baby, but now I'm fine.
Yo, I just got stopped like 2 blocks ago, yo.
You look very suspicious.
Cause y'all always looking at me crazy. Why you fucking him? You fucking with the shit. Take a fucking yo. Why you push me like that for? Why you push me like that for? Why you push me like that?
That's exactly how some shit will go down. Just like that. Just like that. People don't like police because of the harassment. And what civilians don't understand is that the police department is like forcing us to do these unreasonable stops, or you're going to get penalized.
So tell us about the implications of your work on mass incarceration and population health on wealthy democracies.
So the first big finding from this research project is that incarceration has no negative consequences for population health outside of the United States in other wealthy democracies. In the US, or when we include the United States in the model, what you see is that incarceration has a devastating effect on life expectancy at birth and the infant mortality rate. And so you see a totally different picture, because it's only when you reach this very high rate of incarceration that you have all these negative spillover effects. But when you're at a more moderate rate of incarceration, 80, 100, even maybe 150 per 100,000, you don't see these spillovers that we see in the US.
There is YPD. We are
the Morris Justice Project. We surveyed over 1,000 local residents to study police in the neighborhood.
We're a group of community members here and around these blocks, and also university professors and lawyers and the Public Science Project, and we've come together basically to study experiences with police and the stop and frisk and attitudes towards police in this neighborhood.
Dear NYPD, we are the Morris Justice Project.
We deserve fair and just policing.